Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be making Tex-Mex Migas. You are not going to want to miss this one. All right, well, thanks so much for tuning in to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. If this is your first time joining us, do yourself a favor and click that subscribe button right there in the corner, and then hit the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me make Tex-Mex Migas, so let's head in the kitchen and see what our ingredients are. I got an onion, avocado, lime, jalapenos, 6-inch flour tortillas, some cheddar cheese, eggs, little olive oil to saute that stuff up, refried beans, and some salsa. So let's get into the kitchen and get to work. All right, we've got our peppers, jalapeno peppers, and our onion right here. Now I'm just going to dice these up, and all we're going to do is fry these in a pan in some of that olive oil and add salsa to that for the tomato portion. Now I've deseeded and took out some of that skin from the inside here and then rinsed it off. And I'm just going to dice these up as well and throw them in with our onions. There it is. Our onions and our peppers are all diced up, and we're going to head over to our pan and start frying these up. All right, we got our pan hot. Don't worry, folks, that smoke coming off of there is not from the pan. It's from something on the burner. So, I'm going to throw this in there. It's on medium heat. Throw it in there. And we're just going to let this saute down just a little bit while we mix up our eggs. Same bowl. Just going to drop our 4 eggs in here. So whip these up. Get them ready to go into the pan. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this salsa in here and let that cook up as well. Hard to do this one-handed, folks. You let all these flavors just kind of marry as they cook. You want to saute it down until those onions are translucent and the peppers are softer. We're going to let this cook down, and then we will add our eggs. That's a fun factor too about migas is they've got their start over in Spain and Portugal, and then they have a different version of it over here on the North American continent. You've got your Mexican ones, and then you've got Mexico City has a version of it, and then Tex-Mex, of course, has a version of it on there as well, and this is the one we're doing today. Looks like everything's kind of softening up. All right, go ahead and add our egg to that. We are just going to let this cook. Alright, this is cooking up nicely. Finally found a good camera angle where it doesn't flip over. Alright, this is cooking up nice. Now, one ingredient I forgot to show you in the list of ingredients because I wanted to kind of make this a surprise is the addition of corn chips. I just took some corn tortillas and we're just crushing them up right in there. And we're just going to cook them in there as well so they soften up just a little bit. This adds a little crunch and it adds a little flavor as well and gives it a nice texture. So the eggs are getting there. I'm going to add the cheese now. About a half a cup. Mix this up. I'm going to turn the heat off and just let the remaining heat melt this cheese and cook the rest of these eggs. There's our migas with the egg, sauteed peppers and onions, the salsa, cheddar cheese, and our crushed up corn tortillas. You know the drill now. We are going to plate this up onto some tortillas. We're going to take a couple of 100 beautiful pictures of it for social media. And then we are going to come back. Then we're going to put some music down on the timeline with this and come back and taste these. So don't go anywhere. Alright, well this has got a lot of food on it, but I'm going to give a try to this. First one here, let me set up the tripod and we'll get a better view. Alright, here's that awesome migas taco. I didn't put any beans or sour cream or anything in there. Just wanted to try out the egg and all the peppers and everything in there. So here we go, taste test. Oh, that is very, very good. The eggs are just velvety in there. You can taste the onions and the peppers. The peppers are jalapenos, but they're not that spicy. The cheese brings it all together. That's really good. Very, very good. I should have hit it with a little bit of that lime in there too to give it some citrus to bring out more of the flavor. And if there's any heat, it'll kind of cut that heat too. Hey, thanks for watching, but do me a favor before you leave and check out that description box below. I've got a lot of things in there I think you'll find useful. The first one is the links that I have for all my gourmet seasonings that I have online on my e-commerce shops. The second one is a link to a playlist that I've made for if you want to start a YouTube cooking channel. And with that too is a link to TubeBuddy. If you're going to have any kind of YouTube show or channel, you've got to have TubeBuddy if you want to get views, comments, and likes. And then I've got all my social media links down there too, if you want to hook up with me on social media. And then I've got a link for all the gear that I use and all the goodies that I show on this channel in an Amazon link that goes to a storefront that I have. It is an Amazon affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of money every time you click on that to buy something. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you give that video a big thumbs up. Leave all comments below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Thanks again for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.